Hi, my name is Aqeel Padaria. I'm a data science graduate student. Today I'll be showing you how to make butter chicken. It's a dish from New Delhi. This dish was originally developed in India but became popular in Britain as butter chicken and is served globally. It's a great entry into cooking and easy to do with minimal prep. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today for the recipe. To begin, we're going to heat some oil or butter in a pan. Then we'll add our onions. Fry the onions until caramelized or reddish brown. Next, we'll add a butter chicken spice mix. After adding the powder, add chopped tomatoes to the mixture and simmer until oil or butter mixes. You can use fresh or canned tomatoes. We'll now add our chicken to the mix. We have diced our chicken for this version. Leave for 10 minutes on low flame. Then add 2 to 3 cups, about 300 ml, to the pot and simmer until the chicken is fully cooked. Next, we've heated another pan with a small amount of butter and we'll use it to warm up our chapati. Feel free to instead serve with any bread or rice. You have many options. You can also optionally garnish with lemon, coriander or butter. Once everything is heated up, plate the chicken and bread and serve.